Hello. My name is Kristen Angel, and today I will be showing you how to run a true Swiss-style tournament. Now you're back in TD Administration Center. Now you will need to click on Administer Tournaments. Now on this page, you will find the tournament that you have created. Now click on the number that you will find under ID hash. I have underlined it for you. Now make sure that change your seeding from rating to random. To do this, click on the little arrow found next to the word rating and select random. I have put a square around it for you. Now click on change seeding. Now this is what the page looks like after you have clicked on change seeding. Now click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tourney number will be here. Now click on open check-in, but for a real tournament, you will need to open check-in the day before your tournament starts. This will allow players to join in your tournaments. As this is a fake tournament, you will have to add the players yourself. Now this is the page that you will get after you clicked on open check-in. Now click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now click on tournament main page and just register the fake players. The fake player name and password. You will be able to find them on the video tutorial page on my website. Just remember that in a real tournament, members will sign up for your tournament. Now all you do on this page is click on register. Now as you belong to a league already, you should know how to register for a tournament, and it isn't any different with a fake player. Now do this for 10 fake players that you can find on the video tutorial page. Once you have added the fake players, go back to TD Center. Now it's time to run your fake tournament, so you click on close registration. Now once you have closed registration, you will see registration is closed, so you just click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now click on start tournament. Now once you have clicked on start tournament, you will see pairs are up. Now click on return to administer tournament. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now you're back in tournament administration, and you will need to scroll down the page until you see the word standings. Now the players that are in red has got an automatic win, and the player that is underlined in green needs to play a game against their partner in the tournament. Now this is how you post to win. For example, let's say Austria won against Japan. All you do is just click on Austria. Now once you have clicked on Austria, it will come up with Austria is declared the winner at the top of the page. I have underlined it for you. Now click on adjust round 1 results and keep on reporting until all teams have been reported. Now you can see that Austria has changed from being yellow to red. Now once all teams have been reported, you need to click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now click on advance to round 2. Now you will be able to view round 2 pairs. Now click on accept current pairings. Please take note, by clicking on the button that you have acknowledge the current pairings are correct, and there is no turning back once you do so. Now click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now click on adjust round 2 results. To get your pair S for round 2, you just report, just like I told you to earlier on. Keep on doing all the rounds like I have told you to do them. Now this is what the page should look like once all pairings have been reported. Now at some stage of your tournament, you will notice that some of the players are highlighted in blue, and it is easy to swap the players around. All you have to do is click on the little arrow next to where it says player 1 and select a player name, and the same where it says player 2. For example, swap Italy with USA, and then click on Swap Players. Do this for all players that are highlighted in blue, and so that you haven't got any players highlighted. As time goes on, you will be able to judge when the final round will be. Once you see Update TD Stats file in Tourney Administration, you will know that you're at the closing part of your tournament, so you will need to go to How to Close Out of a True Swiss Style Tournament tutorial.